My name is Ariel, and unfortunately I had an accident at work on my hand, as you can see here. And they recommended me to you guys, so I came in and started doing the session. And little by little, I started seeing improvements. I came just recently after surgery. When you have a recent surgery, your hand's swollen, you can't move. And when I came in here, my hand was fully stiff. I couldn't barely do this. Now, I can pretty much do a closed fist. So the improvement has been night to day. And I gotta say that the treatment and the care here is also A1. I honestly, not that I didn't think I was gonna gain back my motion, but I was actually surprised at how quick it actually came back. And I think that's all due to you guys. Since it was a work accident and I'm a mechanic, I gotta use my hands. Plus I'm left-handed and my accident happened on the left hand. So I was out for about, I think it was 3 months. And then when it came time for me to go back to work, I was actually a little bit nervous. I didn't know how quickly I was gonna be able to adapt and be able to use my hand, but I gotta say, honestly, it's been smooth sailing ever since I came back. The transition from not working to working just went right through. And again, I think it's all due to the therapy that I received here at Hands-On Therapy. 100% you should try hands-on therapy because, again, I'm proof in the pudding, basically, in other words. So if you're definitely considering to come to hands-on therapy, please do it. You will not be disappointed.